Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But after today's price action, a whole lot of updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Just get rid of these green lines down here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint and not wanting a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about right around the 0034, 0035 area as resistance. But now that the price is above it, you would like to see it act as support. And it's actually already happened. So the price gapped up above it. And then check that out. Several occasions, the bears try to press down below there right there. But the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. So that is definitely the newest area of support. From the big picture of things, meaning, hey, Clay, how can we measure the health of the move? This being defined as the move. Easiest way to do that is just to continue to watch that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And simply put, as long as the price remains above that purple line, the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health of this current move right now. So very simplistic way to look at that. Now, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you could care less about the purple line. So that purple line definitely pertains to those that care about the grand scheme of things. Now, what about levels of resistance? Key level of resistance on any sort of bounce. I realize it went higher than this, but there's more price congestion right around there, but that's there at 0075. Like I said, yes, it went up there, and yeah, you could consider that a level of resistance. But before you even talk about that one at all, there's clearly, like I said, a lot of price congestion right here. So 0075 is that initial bridge that is going to first need to be crossed. At the end of the day, though, taking a step back, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher bases like it's been doing, then the long-term chart is going to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.